Hi everyone. Every time you connect your USB drive, external hard disk or SSD and you get this message, and when you click it, you get this pop-up. So why do you get this? The main reasons being improper removal of the drive, interrupted write operations along with file system corruptions. So let's see how we can fix this error. So before proceeding with the fix, take a note of the drive letter. Then close this window, close the drive if it opens up. Then search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type this command CHKDSK space your drive letter colon space /f space /x space /r and hit enter to execute it. Once done, type exit in the command prompt window to close it. Now use the safely remove hardware feature to remove your drive. Reconnect it back and you won't get any error messages or pop-ups further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.